This is the kind of places that I like right here. I don't know if I'm even supposed to go up in here. That is just too beautiful. I have to. Look at, I mean, those giant palm trees right there. Those things are just the most amazing palm trees I've ever seen.
When possible, make a U-turn.
I think it's a big golf course up in here. I'm not quite sure. Yeah, there's a golf cart over there. Check those trees out. Those are just unreal looking. Yeah, that's a pretty cool golf course out there, that's for sure. Makes me want to play golf. And we got the cool horses right here in the front. Now, is that the coolest waterfall you've ever seen? They got one on both sides. No caution. No. I don't know what that means, but I'm not going to go up in there because I don't want to get in trouble. No trucks over bridge. I'm kind of a truck. That is one cool water fountain. Okay, so I just made a U-turn. We're going to go back by it one more time and check out the bridge that looks amazing. It's a really cool looking bridge to this place. If it is houses up in there, I am sure they are expensive. I really can't. I like those waterfalls. They're sick. So I think this is the bridge right here. Yeah, there it is. That looks cool, don't it?